Hello, it is Chasemsmodel, and I am coming to you with a video on how to tame your curls in your boho braids. So if you're using synthetic hair like I am, then you don't want it to be frizzy. You want it to be tamed and the curls to be relaxed and pretty. You see how that looks? So I'm going to show you how I did this. All right. Okay, so this is one of the things that I did, and I'm gonna move in a little close so you can see what I'm talking about. So I go ahead and section my hair, and I do this not, a lot, but as I have the duration of the braids, I try to go in and use my leave-in conditioner and a spray, and I use, why can't I talk? And I use a cream. So I'll show you what cream I'm using, which is just, some Cantu. It's nothing all that expensive because, this is synthetic hair. So you don't want to use your good stuff. But I go in and I just finger comb through the braids. And I try to get it in there too. I try to like push it, mash it in there, like pull it down, so it can get all the way through. Like I said, this is synthetic hair, so it's not like, your own hair where, you have to do a whole lot. But and then I use some grease. So yeah, something really easy on synthetic hair. And I don't use a lot because you don't want, a lot of grease in your hair on this hair because you don't want it weighed down. But you do want those curls to pop. And you also want it to stay together, like clump together. That makes it look a lot better instead of all frizzy. And so I am pulling the hair down in front of me. And this hair is like very, it sticks to you. So, and I'm using the free tress in 613. I ordered the hair that I braided my hair with from Amazon, but I used the deep twist from free tress with this particular style. And all I did was I used a crochet needle and I took a section of the hair like this. Let me try to level it out. I used a section of the hair like this, and any flyaways you want to get rid of because you don't want it to be frizzy going in. And then all I did was take my crochet needle and I found a braid that don't have, hair on it, or like this one, I didn't pull out any of the hair. So I'm going to put this at the base. So I'm going to use my crochet needle, go up under the braid, pull it through like you would do a regular crochet, the crochet method. And I twist it around and then I lock it into place like this. And then I take this piece because now it's a little frizzy. It's not like, all the rest of them. So I'll take a little bit of the grease and I will tame it. I will tame it like that. See how it clumps together? And over time, it'll do just like the rest of the hair and clump all the way together. So I've had these for about, I don't know, 3 weeks. And so they're still looking pretty good. And I really do love this style. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. I'm gonna put everything to the back, but you should be able to see. So yeah, so I just added the deep twist hair. I added the deep twist hair to the braids. Most of the time I added it to the base, but you can add it through the braid as well. But I use the Organics hair and I cut it off the weft to do these, like the ones that's already attached. I did that, but I wanted it to be a little more full. So I went in and added the deep twist 613 hair to it. And this is how it turned out. And then all I do is every so often I go in and I'll tame this by just adding a little bit of the grease because I don't know, the 613 hair seems to be a little more frizzy than like your 1B and your 2s and 4s. I guess the lighter the color, it gets a little more frizzy. But over time, it will clump more together because it's synthetic hair. And so I don't start to pull it apart or anything like that because I like it when it's like clumped together, you know. So I hope that this was helpful as you do your own boho braids, and I hope that you use this method and you should get the same results. And if you want a video on how I did this style, just let me know. Leave a comment below and like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000, so only you can help me. And guess what? It's free. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.